Evan, what are you doing? Stop. All right. I'm pretty sure it is recording. My screen should be sharing in just a second, or it may already be. So we're just going to go over this week's spelling words. It is a spelling week, and go over the spelling. And then I will set you guys free. 24 words, like always. Your spelling homework is due on Thursday. Well, considering it's Monday, what do you think? Number 1 is earth. We know what earth is. Number 2 is peer. That would be like your classmate is your peer. 3 is twirl. 4 is burnt. 5 is smear. 6 is further. 7 is appear. 8 is worthwhile. 9 is nerve. 10 is peer. A different type of peer. See, gotta be tricky. So peer, P-E-E-R, is like your classmate. P-I-E-R is like a doc, like a peer somewhere else. Landon, what is it that you're doing over there instead of listening? Have I assigned the homework yet? What should you be doing? You should be listening. Nolan, I'm not sure what you're doing, but you're not on my Google Meet like you're supposed to be. Please go there now. Number 11 is squirm. 12 is weary. 13 is alert. 14 is murmur. 13 is thirsty. 16 is reverse. 17, yes. Marissa is supposed to be on Spelling City. That is what she's supposed to be doing. And Marissa, if you're not on Spelling City, okay. 16 is reverse. 17 is worship. 18 is career. 19 is research. And 20 is volunteer. So there are 2 that are spelled different but are pronounced the same. That would be peer and peer. So you're going to have to make sure, Landon, I still see you working. Would you like to owe me recess? Put your pencil down. Thank you. Following directions is something that you need to work on. Does anyone have any questions over those 20 words? I feel like we know what most of those words mean besides the peer and peer, but we just talked about that. And then we have to go over our 20, just kidding, our 4 challenge words, not 20 challenge words. That'd be too many. We have acre, like an acre of land, frontier, preservation, or external. External would be outside, like the external of the building. Those are our 24 words for this week. Are there any questions about those words? Nolan? Frontier? Yeah. Well, frontier is a type of internet. It's also like the last frontier. That's what they used to call like land back in the day before it was developed. Like you could move out to the frontier and it's just undeveloped land, good for farming and stuff like that. The what? Preservation? Yeah. So a preservation is something that's preserved.
That means like your parents would preserve.
Like a preservation is like a type of land sometimes. Like, oh, that's a wildlife preservation. It's preserved by the government. You can't hunt there. You can't, you can't take down trees there, things like that. Oh, well. All right. So those are our words. And now I'm going to show you our homework. Our homework's the same thing as we've done in the past. 2 assignments. The first one, you're going to write, oh wait, that says work. It's supposed to say word. I'll change that. You're going to write each word, including the challenge words, 3 times. Then the 4th time you write the words, you're going to write the consonants one color and the vowels another color. We've already done this in the past. So you're going to write the words a total of 4 times. 3 times in normal pencil, 1 time in different colors. And that doesn't mean pencil and a color. It means 2 different colors. Don't be doing a ton of different colors. Just 2 colors, like a purple and a blue, or pink and red. I don't care. Are there any questions on your spelling homework? It is due on Thursday. If you're an at-home learner, you need to send me a picture of it. If you're here in class, it needs to be turned in by Thursday. If you do not have any questions about the spelling homework, you may hop off and get to it. Reading is today after lunch at like 1:15.
Miss Kniffle, instead of doing it on paper, can I do mine on a Google Docs and send it to you?
Angelina, my volume was off. You're going to have to re-say that. Sorry.
Instead of doing mine on paper, can I do mine on a Google Doc and send it to you?
No, you may not, because then you could just hit copy paste and you would not actually be writing it. I have no way to know that you actually typed it out. So that's why you have to do it on paper. Same with everyone here. We have to do it on paper because otherwise you can copy paste it and you wouldn't actually have to do it, which would defeat the purpose of writing it more than once. All right.